Yeah. She love when I come and hit from the back, give her a heart attack. My pride was lost, but now I got it back. No starter pack, was all alone, so I ran up a sack. She wanna handle that, wanna be my world, I don't think I can manage that. No paddle back, the love they have for me, I had to damage that. Lost in my own head, my own.
Hey babes, hey babes, hey babes. I just want to come on here first and say that I missed you all. So come here and give me a hug. I miss my tribe. And as you all can see from the title above, this is another, I'm trying to find a comfortable spot so you guys can see me. This is another declutter with me, and I'm pretty much here to show you guys, and no matter how many times I have these videos or how many times I have to do a restart and show you guys what's up with me, I'm going to always come on here to show you guys that it's okay. It's okay to battle. It's okay to fight. It's okay sometimes to feel defeated. Go ahead and go through your emotions, but don't let it hold you down for long. I've suffered from seasonal depression. I do have anxiety, and there's times where no matter how much I want to do something, it seems like my flesh is taking over my spirit, and it's like whatever my flesh wants to do, that's what's going to happen. So if I want to lay in bed all day and soak in my sorrow, I will. If I don't want to clean up after myself, I won't. And before I know it, things will pile up, things will get cluttered, things will get so much chaotic and so out of my ordinary that I will start feeling even worse about myself. I'll sit in a room that's cluttered and be like, now my mind feels cluttered. Why did I do this? Why did I do that? And when it's time for me to get up and start cleaning, or time for me to get up and start straightening up so I can get back into my zone, now I'm having panic attacks and I'm feeling flustered and I feel like I can't do this and I feel like I can't do that. But I'm here to say that it's okay. Go through your emotions, but do not let it defeat you. Do not let it keep you down for too long. And slowly but surely get yourself back on track. You may want to jump back into things and you feel like, oh, I can do it because I've done it before. But sometimes we can't. We can't just up and jump into things, because then it's like you'll put your body in this shock that it's not ready for it. Then you'll find yourself doing too much. Then you'll start feeling overwhelmed, and then you'll end up back in the same boat or back in that hole again. And it's just like, take your time to gradually get back to you. And once you feel 100% yourself or 55% yourself, enough for you to be like, okay, I can do this on a daily basis. I can do more today, more than I did yesterday, more than I did last week. As long as you know that you are being patient with yourself, don't rush. It's not a race. Because even for me, a lot of my friends have their own place, or they have their own car, or they're working a 9-to-5 that is at least keeping them stable financially. And I feel like, oh my gosh, look at me, still living with my parents, still living check to check, literally trying to find ways to make ends meet, still struggling here and there. I don't have a car, but I'm trying to make this work, I'm trying to make that work, and I always find ways to be my biggest critic and beat myself down the most. And I find myself comparing myself to my friends, not even the person on the internet or on Instagram that's living their best life, but to my friends that I feel like are doing so much more than me when I could be doing just as much as them. And it's okay. I may not have my car yet, and it's okay. I may not have my own crib yet, and it's okay. I'm not rushing for anybody, and God's timing is God's timing. And the more I wait, the more I work out of faith, the more that I do what I have to do, everything is going to come together the best way fit. Right now, I may feel like I'm crumbling, and I may feel like nothing is ever going to get back together, but literally I'm in the midst of the storm, and God is working on blessings and other things that I don't even see him or know that he's working on. And before you know it, I'm going to be in a position to where I'm just like, this is what I prayed for. And even then, I still may be struggling and focusing on the future and feel like it's not enough like I do now. Because even though I don't have all the things that I feel like I should have right now in this place that I'm in right now, I have everything else that I prayed for. Like, when I look back on certain things and certain seasons of my life, I'm in a position that I couldn't wait to be in. I'm where I wanted to be. I'm where I prayed for, even if it's not the other things that I pray for, the other blessings that I feel like I should be receiving right now. And I'm so cluttered and so organized and so focused on or distracted on other things that I can't even sit in the moment and enjoy where I'm at. Like, I've started my business, y'all. Distinctive Boutique has started. I may not be getting the sales and I may not have traffic like that, but I've started my business. I still have things to learn about. I want to get business credit. I want to do this, and I still have things that I need to teach myself and going through the steps of my business, but it started. I may have been open for 3 years and I feel like, oh, it should be more and I should be doing more, but I also got to hold myself accountable. Where am I not stepping out at that can really help better myself and better my business and bring benefits this way? What am I not doing to help Distinctive grow? What am I not doing to help MaevëxBeauty grow as a brand? My modeling, my makeup career, and all of these things. What am I not doing? I have to focus on that. I can't keep focusing on, I did this and da 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 da. I've started it. I've been wanting to be a makeup artist forever. When I first graduated from school, high school, I wanted to go to college or go to Aveda and start working towards getting my makeup certification so that I could work at MAC or Sephora or all these places that require you to have a license or certification or see that you're in school for you to work in the beauty industry or as a beauty advisor. And I'm just like, okay, I didn't do that. I didn't take that steps. And I completely stopped, but I started again. I'm a self-taught makeup artist and I actually have clientele. I actually have faces and art and things that I've worked on and people that I can share and show you guys my creations, not just on myself, but others. And I'm just like, I need to enjoy it. Like, I need to be happy for where I'm at. I know there's so many people around me that wants me to meet life at their potential, and it's like, this ain't your race, this ain't your life. And I thank you so much for seeing my value and that I could be more, but let me take my time to get there. Don't rush me. Even with me being married, some people may want me to be married already and wondering why I ain't doing this. It's not a race, and when I find somebody that loves me for me genuinely and we make that work, it happens. But I'm coming on here to pretty much let you all know that we all have our days. And it's okay to have your day. It's okay to have your week. It's okay to have your month. But get back up and get up strong. That's why I make these videos. That's why I let you guys see how out of the ordinary or how unorganized my life gets. Because when I get back on track, when I start organizing myself again, when I start doing things again, when I start working out of faith, when I start just pushing myself, I'm not just doing it for me. I'm doing it for my legacy. I'm doing it for my tribe, and I'm doing it to show others that you can get up 10 times stronger. God put me on this earth. Like, there's been so many situations and so many scenarios and so many things that I'll make story times about later and everything that I've been in where I'm like, dang God, how am I still alive today? Like, how did I make it to 26? I'm about to be 27 in August, y'all. Like, how did I make it here? There's been times where I've had suicidal thoughts and I've had days where I just wanted to disappear, or days where I'm just like, Lord, I'm done. Take me. I'll go home. I'm ready to come home. And yet I'm still here. Yet he still wants me to rise. Yet he still wants me to learn and teach and show and share my testimony and things like that, because my purpose is bigger than this, and I may not know the full potential or the full outlook of my purpose, but he has me here for a reason. He has me making these videos for a reason. Whenever I make these videos, whenever I feel something in my spirit and I start talking to you guys about something or letting you guys know what's going on with me, even if I feel like I'm not coming off right, even if I feel like I'm not explaining it right, or you guys aren't understanding me, there's somebody out there that's getting it. There's somebody out there that needs to hear this. Or even if I'm making a video for me to hear it for myself again, because I do be watching my own videos from time to time. Gotta show support to myself sometimes. Gotta pat myself on the back and all that, because no matter what I'm doing, no matter where I go, no matter what doors I walk into, it is not me. It is nothing but God, and he's always going to be in front of me leading. So we're going to get back to decluttering this room. I just wanted to come here. And yes, it is the next day. As you guys can see, I'm in a whole nother outfit. So even if it takes you a minute to get back on track and get back organized, take that time. I'm learning to be patient with myself, and I'm learning to be happy for the little accomplishments that I'm doing in life. So all that to say that I love y'all. I'm happy to be back, and I'm happy that you guys are on this journey with me and that I'm working and doing things. Now let's get back to cleaning and watching this show, Cruel Summer. If you guys have ever watched this show, Cruel Summer, I just started it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. We can have a little mini conversation or whatever the case may be, and some more. And yeah, yes.
Fuck love and chase a loot, kicking rocks I give the boot. I've been seeing skies of blue. Not too many gon' rap for you. They know me, not too many can come in here and just get it. Been riding on my bronze for so long I can't even feel it. My destiny awaiting, I'm taking chances and living. I ain't gonna stop at winning, cause really I'm feeling driven. Oh, I'm just getting the feel. Is you gon' ride it, you gon' still keep it real.
Alright y'all, so for the most part my room is fully clean. Hold on, let me pause this so y'all can hear. But for the most part my room has been cleaned and decolored. I think it's zoomed in. I don't know why my camera's zoomed in, but yeah, aside, did I just say color? Wow, my room is done. Aside from the bed that I gotta make up, but I'm not gonna do that right now because I got everything in it. My work clothes on the chair, I got work later. And those clothes in the corner that's folded up, I will be getting rid of them. I no longer want them. The little area is mine. And y'all need to get rid of these clothes. So shop, we do have a $10 sale still going on. Trash that I have to take outside. I'm gonna bring these boxes right there to take them out as well. But I should have showed you guys what my room was looking like in giving before. But hey, before it's giving, it's clear. And I need to do something definitely clear. But thank you all for watching and enjoying today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and to turn on your post notifications so that you're notified whenever your girl drops another video. We're always going to come on here raw and uncut or beautiful as heck. And there's no in between. Either you want to get this with me looking homeless or you want to get me looking glamified. I do have some projects. I do have some stuff over here that I was given for some brands that I do have to make videos. Wouldn't be a made beauty video if I didn't get tongue tied, but yeah, like I was saying, I do have some stuff over here that I do have to get ready for you all so I can start working on these next few videos that I have for you guys that is sponsored by some brands. Your girl is getting brand deals, whether there are growing businesses or big businesses, it don't matter. I still do have some props over here, but I'm not sure if this photo shoot is still going to happen. I have to hit up the photographer and the model to see what we're doing with that because we've been all over the place with date and timing. And yeah, I got some things in the works. Make sure you guys check out Models Most Wanted. Got some things in the works over there. Make sure you guys check out Beauty by Maeve. Got some things going on over here. Make sure you guys shop and check out Distinctive Boutique because we got some things going on over there and some new arrivals that are coming in. We do have a new shirt that's going to drop on the 20th of this month, so be on the lookout. And make sure you guys are ready to spend some coin and all of that. Of course, I will drop discount codes, or you can shop with my brand ambassadors and use their discount codes to get money off. Even with the brands that I will be showing and sharing with you guys in some later videos. Of course, I got discount codes for you guys because we do not gatekeep over here. And we love to help save some coin over here as well. And what else was I about to say? I stick to money, I don't need me a deal. No. I just keep rising. I don't remember what I was about to say, but other than that, yeah, we're done. I'm out of here. I'm about to go lay back down and go watch this show and relax for a little bit until it's time for me to start getting ready for work and all of that good stuff. I know you guys can hear everybody out there because my family stay loud. And your girl is dropping some weight. Me and my bestie have been working on this 30-day workout challenge and it has been doing good. That's another thing that's been having me feeling a lot better. Me getting back into the routine of working out and everything is starting to help clear and declutter my mind so that I can focus and think about things that I really need to worry about and work on. And yeah, for my babies that are looking for more makeup videos and makeup reels and makeup TikToks and all that, I got you. We are coming real soon. I gotta clean my makeup brushes, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do a video where we clean my makeup brushes because I haven't done one of those in a while. But I think I recorded one but didn't finish it, and because it was just in the forgotten files, I ended up deleting it. But I should have just saved it to make a video of all my forgotten files folder. I just had an idea, but let me get out of y'all here because this video is probably long enough. Peace, love, blessings, and we out. Bye, y'all.
I just wake up, you know. Our day